And we are live. Hopefully everyone can hear me okay. You can let me know in the chat. Let me know if the music's too loud as well. But, you know, we'll have some music, get the Friday feeling going. Welcome back if you have caught the last couple of streams. But let's go. Where are we going today? I'll share my screen. Where is that? Boom. Okay. Where are we? We're here. We're getting there. I think it's getting close. I'm going to try fix up things today. I'm going to stick around maybe shorter than usual today, just because it was a hectic week and I am tired. So I'm going to try stick around for about an hour and a half, I'd say. Let's jump straight into this as well. Hello. And of course, as always, Praveen's here as well. Great to see you. How's things? Anyone have any plans for the weekend? No? Maybe? We'll see. Maybe there's probably a delay with the footage anyway, or with YouTube. I think it takes a little bit extra to get into StreamYard where I'm streaming this as well. So, where are we? Well, I'm going to try add in a couple of my articles into here today. Get the footer done, get the nav done, get the linking up done, and it should all be good then, I think. I'm also trying to decide, should I include the Discord here? Actually, I'm just noticing, let me see here. Let's start getting this fixed up, because why is the beard so fuzzy today? Because, Praveen, Ireland has been on lockdown for a long time now. We're in lockdown a month now, so I'm well overdue my beard trimming. So it's going to be another month, I think, before. So you expect it to be big and bushy by the end of the next month, I'd say, before I can actually get a haircut even. So now we jump in here. What do we have? We're going to, I'm just noticing here that these items are not aligned in the middle. So I'm going to try align each one of these ones up as well first. So let's take a look at that. This one is nicely where I want it. And let's shut that off now. Okay, so let me remind myself what way this nav is done. Actually, I better, before unique key prop, we'll figure that out in a second. But what I should really do before I start hacking this in is git add all my changes, git commit week 2 changes, and at least I have that saved a little bit. And then we can move into things. Right, so we have Twitter logo, links. That is in row, so I always forget this, but we'll figure it out. Align items, center, I think. Let's see if that does it. Yes. So we have that now aligned there. We're going to change things to be links now, I think. It's probably about time. So what we're going to have to do is import. Let's import link. Link from next link. Cool. And then we will be able to start adding in links to wherever we need to go. So I guess I need pages for these as well, but we can put in A's for now. This will remind me to do this after. Add actual links, please. And we can add in anchors. Oh, not abbreviations. Anchors. Stop autofilling. Anchor. And we'll give this an ARIA label of Twitter, just so people know where it's going. And then we can give the href to my own Twitter in a minute. Or at least that's a good structure there. I'm going to put everything else in a tag as well, just to make sure, because the styling's going to be way off, I'd say now. So we'll have to have a look and see how that is gone now. Okay. So we have this. Okay, so this is no longer taking up space. Let's inspect this. Oh yeah, because it's link.div. Better. Sorry, I'm just checking on something here. So what do I need to do here? Everyone's very quiet in the chat today. What's going on? I better start my Friday off. Some thinking juice. Keep me going. Now it feels like Friday. So we want to say links and A plus A is I always get these things wrong, but let's try this out. It's very quiet in here, Praveen. Yes, so by giving this just giving this in here. The noisy ones are coming out. And then, hi Nick, great to see you. Tej, when are you getting your streaming setup done? That's has to be shortly now. Well overdue. Let me see. I forgot I don't have the LinkedIn chat open here as well. So let's take a look to see what's going on there. Zachary is here listening as well. Great to see you, Zachary. Yeah. Larry's never going to let you. You're going to have to stream with your dog, I think, Tej. It's the only way that will work. So, right, we have this. This is working as expected. I might add some padding to these things as well, just to make sure you can touch things as expected. So adding no, do I want all anchors to have some padding? Probably want all anchors to have some padding. So links a padding will say 10 pixels, and that's just to give it a bit of space for when you're clicking or hovering over it, that You see it now, at least it's easier to touch these things than it was. Ooh, Discord bots. What Discord bots are you creating? What's it going to do? Yeah, that PC is taking forever to arrive, Tej. It's taken way too long. Send it back before you even get it. Maybe. Is that how those things work? Okay, so what links do I need to have in here anyway? I suppose I get to decide. About and contact, so it's kind of backwards. We want Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter. Maybe I'll put a link. Should I put a link to Discord? So I'm going to change things around here and we will. Oh. If my fingers want to work today at all. That's better. It's closer to where we wanted. The font size is way off for now. Yeah, Jace always saving the day, I have to say. Let's put this at 20. Might be better. For now. Nah, I prefer it the old way. Okay, so we need to get these is 255, 255. Beautiful. And what do we need to do? We need loads more icons. So let's see how that goes. We'll get. I have the simple icons here. So we want Instagram. Save that. What else do we need? LinkedIn. We have Twitter. What else is up there? Yeah. Okay, that'll do for now. We'll say. About contact. That should do that for the moment. Zachary made it over to here. Yeah, Zachary, you came up as unknown user or LinkedIn user when I tried to tag your comment here. But yeah, I could see your comment come in. I was just wondering why it said that. But yeah, thanks for coming over. So we have those SVGs. Where am I keeping these things? I know I did these last day. So we have SVGs. Okay, let's take these. Toggle this to the right, left. And now I can not worry about these things. Let's put in this and this. What am I using for fonts? Icons. I am using a site called Simple Icons, which is pretty nice, as you can see. We can just grab them. Jay showed me this the last day he was on. So yeah, it's pretty good. Is there anything else I need? I'm not sure if there's other things. maybe I should put in the Discord. I can put it on afterwards anyway. There'll probably be more. Yeah, we'll just use those ones for now. This is what I'm thinking on the Discord. Although I like it, I think what I will do is I'm going to have like a pinned post to all the Kodu stuff and the Kodu community and all that, as well as kind of keep all this to stuff that is just specifically me, because I think the Kodu community will grow. Hopefully I can get people like yourself, Tej, involved, and then it'll be unfair for me to just push it all as me. So I will separate them slightly, but give a story on one of the top posts. I'm going to write a post all about the Kodu community. I think that'll make it a little bit better. But we'll see. Maybe it's a terrible idea. So then in here, let's import Instagram from Instagram. Jay finally got out of bed. That was good. How nice of you to get out of bed today, Jay. Must have been tough. I know you don't like to get up and do anything ever. Import, what other icon? LinkedIn. Let's try get this in. Okay, so we can, I'll just copy paste this a couple times. And Instagram. Take a look. Ooh, what are we working on now, Jay? What's publication? Ah, dang. I was going to say jump on. You can jump on for an hour if you want. You can let me know, Jay, if you want to jump in and annoy people. Let's jump this over. Okay, so we have some things. I should probably get the links for that. What else do we need? This, about. We should probably put in the links here as well anyway. Is it just one? I know I have these. They have updated the link recently. I keep forgetting. Now we used to have to use both href and as. I think we can just use href now. So this is going to break anyway, but I might as well try. Href is going to be equal to about. We'll try it out in a second. I'll make 2 pages. Uh-oh, I changed the style completely. What is that weird black bar coming in on the side of everything? Okay, it's fine now. Whatever the hell is going on with that. Must have been my eyes playing tricks on me. What do we want here? So I'm gonna have to go and style up the anchors in a minute, but we'll play around with that in a minute. We'll worry about that when we get to it. I want to see. So if I go to about, it goes to about. Perfect. That's exactly what I wanted. So it is going to the pages. So now I can go into pages. What do you mean? I don't think the links show, do they? Oh, you want to put the links in. Hold on. Let me go into this. I need to fix this. 1 second. Let me see how I can. YouTube. I'm just going in to see why I can't get links on things. So. Right, yeah, why aren't my links showing? I should be able to allow links. I should really be good at this, like, YouTube streaming by now, but how and ever. We're doing okay. So studio. I'm off to the side here trying to get these links to work so people can post things. And settings, comments. Okay. Dashboard. Content. Do I have to go into the stream specifically? Live. That's reminding me to tell people to like the video, I guess, if you haven't already. Select where to redirect videos. I have no idea how to. How to allow links, YouTube. Send YouTube studio, left menu, other channel settings. Let's find out. I know what I can do here now. Yeah, maybe because it says that links aren't blocked. So what I'll have to do, let me just check to see if that's what it is. Close. Yeah, this is not for children. It says not for children as as they always should be. Weird. Yeah, if only they... yeah. So, my next option is to go into settings, channel, advanced settings. Okay, definitely turned off that then. Now, settings. Where the hell? If you're still listening to this, send me or put into the chat there what your username is on YouTube, because then I can just add you as a moderator and you should be able to do whatever. Or throw it into the Discord there and I'll add you as a moderator. That way you can block other people's links. But maybe if you refresh, it might work. I'm not sure. I've set everything to not be for children now, so that might help. Right, let's continue on to this. We have that. We have we'll call a new folder called about, and that's the index. I'm going to copy all this. And we will say get rid of that. About me, Maher. Get rid of this. All right, so let's do that there and see where we're at when we click about. Yeah, okay, that makes sense. So it should be components slash. Yeah, that should be there. That should be fine, shouldn't it? Can't resolve components. Let's see what's in the components. There's nothing being exported there. Layout, index. Yeah, and do you know what? I ordered a power line adapter based on Jay's recommendation to get a more consistent internet. And they rang me today to say, hey, we put the price really high because we didn't think anyone would buy it. So we can't actually deliver it to you. So now I have to find a new supplier for my plug. So I don't know what to do now. All right, let's go back into that. So pages. Okay, hold on. Stop, I don't need that. Blah. Okay, perfect. That's exactly what I wanted. Angry Baby Yoda. Yeah, Baby Yoda playing with the ball would be a crazy cool animation as well. Or stealing the ball. You could nearly make it like the angry. Yeah, anything with the force as well. Mandalorian was so good. Where's this black coming from, actually? Oh, it's the footer. Okay, that makes sense. So there's that, and then I'll just copy and paste. No, I shouldn't have done that. Oh well. Let's delete that. Contact. Neighbors. All right, let's save that. We'll call this contact. And in here, about, and we'll call this about. Let's just see if I broke everything now. Contact. About. Contact. About. Okay. So then my nav is slightly broken now. All right, cool. So I wanted. I still have no idea why the links aren't working on this stream, to be honest, Jay. So I'm as lost as everyone else, I think. Let me get into Discord here. Take a look to see what's going on. No, that's not what I meant to do. Remove. That's better. Now I have the two links there. All right, so Jay's pens are there now. I think they're working. Let's see. Twitter. Take this and put it in just to make sure things are working as expected. Have this open because I might need that. So what we'll do is a href so Oh yeah, I need to have that. What is the thing? Open link in new tab. Target equals blank. What is it? Target. Will this work now? Perfect. Nice. Okay. So at least I have one of them done. I'm gonna should probably just change these to be right as well. Link in Instagram. And let's jump back over. Aha, so this doesn't even go back to where I hoped. I'll have to fix that as well. So I have this. What does this look like now when I go to pages, posts? Slug.js. Okay, so this should be getting that. Okay, so that's layout from components. So let's change this now because it's no longer using all the stuff from before. Yeah, okay, that's better. Nice. Where is the CMS name being used here? Post style, so that's my example. This is the third one. I potentially labeled it wrong, so who knows? All right, so we have the sites lining up nicely. We have that. Okay, that's working as expected. Let's go in and get some. Just go into our anchors or wherever we're using this. You have too big there. Okay, so we want to be on H4. Still too big. Do I have a H5? That's better. And aha, yes. I will get back to that. I am hacking that into where I'll be changing the direction of that site, but I to the Kodu community side, because my business Kodu was recently acquired. So as a result, my business site might not be needed, but the Kodu community site will be. So the Purple Wave site will be done just in a different form. So I'm just trying to make a strategy in place of how I can take everything I've done on there and add it to the Kodu community site. So it is coming, but due to the kind of acquisition of my business, there's not much of a point in continuing on. And I was losing all motivation, as you can imagine, when something is never going to be used. So it will be used soon, but we'll get there. Now, all right, we have all those. Have that. What does the footer supposed to look like? I might just get the footer done. I'm so tired this week. So many interviews this week. It is insane how many interviews I had to do this week, but it's all good. We're going to want all these for the footer as well. Or is there a new component called footer? Yeah. Oh. I should definitely have the settings for these things somewhere else to keep them common. You bet, Praveen. You will be top of the queue. Don't you worry. As soon as I start hiring junior developers, you'll be one of the first people I interview. And I hope I don't have to crucify you in an interview. You know, it wouldn't be that nice, but you know, might be as well. So awesome. Good to know about your business acquisition. So what are you up to? A new personal site? Yeah. So I realized I have a lot of things going on, tons of things going on. And there's two branches of people that like to know what I'm up to. There is the businesses I deal with, and there are the developers I deal with. So obviously this kind of content. So I didn't have a central place to put like all of my stuff because I write some business articles, I write some web development content, and it was getting a bit hard to manage because I put them all off into different places. So I want a personal site to grab that. I also then wanted to create a newsletter for people, and I realized I don't have a landing page to do a newsletter. So I decided to build something like this so that I can start collecting some newsletters and sending out people to some updates, really, just for everything. So it'd be great if next week I was actually able to put this up live, even if it's broken, and start collecting some emails to start sending out some newsletters, updates, what I'm doing, what I'm hiring, because I am hiring like crazy as well. I need to get about 8 people by the end of, I'd say, next month. So it is busy. And I'd like to be able to post those opportunities out to people as well. There's just a lot going on. But this is why I'm enjoying doing this, to kind of unwind on a Friday. It's nice fun. All right, so I have those icons in. I'm going to just go over here and steal all of these. I should probably get my LinkedIn and just have it anyway, so I can jump back over. And then Instagram / Niall Joe Maher, I think it is. Profile. Okay, that'll do. We'll take these. And now that I have them all there, I can go for that. Lee Robinson. Tell Lee Robinson to get in touch if you think he's a great person. It's a lot more than an agency. I'm building products and we're building teams and there's a lot. There's 3 arms to the business now, so it's a busy place where I am. I'm now a CTO of a company called Spark, so it's a lot different than what I'm used to a certain extent, but also the same because I'm still building stuff a lot of time and hiring people and architecting stuff. Who knows, Praveen? Let's see. Depends how good you do in the community from now to then. Maybe that's how I pay you back after all of this. All right, let's copy these into the footer. There's my icons in there. Okay. So what I need to do with the icons then is good question. If you catch up with me on LinkedIn, I have my email up there. I have all of the posts and things. You'll be able to see all the kind of work-related stuff. So if you jump onto my LinkedIn, it's I'll put it up here now. Open a new tab. Let me show you my LinkedIn, and then you'll be able to get into it. So hopefully that link posts. We'll see. I think I might have broke it by putting a link in. It doesn't like... I think it... Yeah, so grab me on LinkedIn. You'll see the job posts as they go up. There's lots of different projects, lots of different things going on. So in there... Great to see you, Praveen. Yeah, it's been fun. It's nice. I love coming in and just seeing like tons of messages from everyone else chatting. When that's the way it should be. All right. So where are we? We're going to say .social. Background red for the moment, just to see what happens. Okay, cool. Padding 20 pixels. Border radius 50%. Background color is going to be bar white. If I could spell white. Nice. Okay, so that's the way I was expecting it. Then we can say perfect. Talk to you after. Then we'll say A plus A is going to have a margin. And there's a margin left of 20 pixels, so that okay. I need something because it's a module. Perfect. So that is that. And then in the footer.js, These all have to go to 0, 0, 0, I think. Yeah. So we will copy that fill. Fill. I knew I had one more. Nice. Thanks, Son of Troy. It's going good. I think I can't complain. It seems to be it's coming along nicely. I'm going to try get it on online regardless soon. Just even if it's broken, just to start getting it moving, and then I might do some work behind the scenes or that, or even open source it and just continue working on it that way. Okay, so this looks awful. So what am I going to do? I'm going to container, blah, blah, blah. Okay. Nav. Links. No, that's sure not. I was wondering where they come out of. So we have so then what do we want? We want to say display flex and justify content space between. But then what I'll need to do is have another group. I'm going to go into the nav. I'm going to steal this. And we also want to bring in this. And these are actually working now, so I can delete that. Footer, we'll put in all right, so now we have the two links there. We have these over here as expected. Now I need to align this stuff. So inspect. Okay, so I think I need to put them in like a floating container of sorts. Maybe that's the only way they'll behave as expected, but we'll take a look. What do they come in as? They're in as SVGs. I'm going to play around with this. Let's see what we can do. Display flex line items. Why do I have this still floating and open? Okay, so that didn't do anything. Nope, that's not what I was hoping to do. Oh well. It's better, I guess. Height width. Yeah, I need to put a height width and everything on the circles itself because the padding on the Twitter logo is throwing it. So Social icons A. What is going on with context, Praveen? All right, this is not what I expected. So why is this doing this? Okay, so padding 20 pixels, that's not what we want. We'll say height 40 pixels, width 40 pixels. Actually, we'll say it's going to be 60, and 60 I bet is going to be closer to what I want. Yeah, so that's more uniformed at least. Now I need to get them to sit in line. Flex grow 1. Can I say that? Oh. Okay. It did what I wanted. It filled the space, and I thought that would give it enough space. But there's a margin auto on something here, isn't there? Challenges building Node.js because I don't fully understand Node.js and the Discord API, so my bots are dormant. Oh, yeah, it's still a good exercise to just hack your way through those things and see what you can do. Even if you don't fully understand it, it's just about getting it working, even sometimes when you're copying and pasting, and then going and saying, why is this working or why isn't this working? It might help you in the long run. Oh yeah, there you go. It was because of, I'm an idiot. That should have, okay, I didn't need all the messing that I did. It was just because this wasn't a flex item. Now, this works as expected. Yes. Splitting my giant context store into small logical chunks to reduce unnecessary rendering and performance bump. Oof, Praveen, you are really going into it. You are going into it. What are you building? Or what are you trying to optimize? Because, there's no point in over-optimizing things either. You just end up getting into the stage of where you pre-optimize things and there's no real reason to it. Let's also go and steal the footer styles or the nav styles for the links A. And we will say in the footer, links A plus A margin right. And there is a reason for that, because I want to have these like that. And we'll say dot links display flex, and that aligns that there perfectly. Okay, we're going to add a little bit more margin right, so I'm going to say 40 pixels. Okay, so okay, so margin, it is still margin left. Welcome, Anthony. Nice. That's pretty cool. I can't wait to see what you're doing. If you need any help, we can talk about it offline. We'll see where we can get you to. Links a dot links and child 1. Is that how I say it? Let's see. Background red, just to see what this is. Oh, that's just the first child. Links first child. Both of them. All right, best of luck. Yeah, I'm going to definitely take a look at that. That sounds impressive. Well done, Praveen. So can I do this, I wonder? Aha, okay. So I want padding left, padding left to be 0. Nice, that lines up nicely then. There. Perfect, and that goes to about, that goes to contact, about, contact. These should work. Okay, I need a blank target on all of them. So I will go and steal from this one, target blank. I'll paste this in everywhere. And then on the nav, I'm going to do the same before I forget. Nice. Okay. So what I will do is I'm going to do some more work on this. Oh, look who has come in on the LinkedIn side. Francesco. Have you forgotten about YouTube? We're all over here too. But thanks for saying hello. The Docker King himself. And let's have a look to see where we're at. You are too kind. Thank you. So we have that. What else am I going to do here now? I'm just wondering, should I start something else? What time are we at? No, I probably shouldn't start something else, or else I'll leave things too tight. What am I going to do? Nav, layout, footer. Have this. What can I do? Let's get this up onto a site. So I'm going to just, on the side here, I'm going to see if I have a repo for this already set up. New website. My personal website. I should, hold on, let me see if I can share this over here as well, what I'm just doing here. I'll make this public. Create a repository. All right, we have this. So I'm going to change all these things in. Are you laughing at how great this looks, Jay? Just because it is. If you didn't know, Jay is one of the biggest glassmorphism advocates I know. Anything glassmorphism, just send it his way. He'll love it. Final goal of this project, Francesco, is to have, just to have a personal site, somewhere I can leave all my blogs and articles and everything. Yeah, I just want to be, right now everything's scattered all over the internet, and I just want a central place. And I also want to be able to start collecting emails and things. So I want to be able to subscribe. So next week I'm going to hook up an API in Next.js to be able to collect emails and see how that goes. Look, average is all she asked for, okay? Let me see in the old Discord. So, and a link from Jay here. Yeah, let me know when you're doing it. I'll happy to come on and mess around with you as well. It's been a bit of fun. It's nice to work for something for yourself as well. I'm enjoying this music too much. I'm completely distracted from what's going on the stream. Okay, so we have this, we have that. All right, what we're going to do. Yeah, like what I want to see really is a practical use case for it. Yeah, it's like it's very rare. The only like good use case I've seen for it is actually on the actually on the homepage of Brave, and that's what made me want to do it. I wonder if it's something similar is on it now. No. Oh yeah, there. So I liked this kind of glassmorphism effect because it wasn't too bad. I thought that was a good use of it, but I haven't really seen too many real practical use cases of it that are nice. But this is what made me decide that I wanted to do it. Let's do this. So where am I on this? Yeah, I was in the middle of completely distracted. Okay, so we have that. Week 3. Nice. Okay, so that should be all of that set up on GitHub. So if I go to, I'm going to have to pull this off because I don't want everyone to see my private repositories and things. So give me 1 second to get to where I need to go. You remember it, James. Like I am a dream to work with for my commit messages. You know, if you ever want to roll back to a feature I've done, you should have remembered what one I have done it with. Yeah, definitely don't use. If it wasn't for being my own site, I would be giving out like crazy. Do as I say, not as I do on this one. Don't use commit messages like that. It's awful. I think that's the key to all this, Jay, isn't it? It's the support. Most places just don't support it, so it's going to look awful on a lot of places. It's fun to play with these things, but it's also you have to be practical for where you use it. I don't feel like being too practical for my own things because I'm not practical in life. so I'll go a bit out there. All right, so that's that. We have that there. I am also going to open up Cell. All right, I can pull this over here now, can I? Let's go into deploying this. So website, import this. I'll select my personal account for this. What's in here? npm run build. They have all this. What could go wrong? I don't think I have any environment variables yet. I will next week when I start to set up the API. So let's see what happens when I hit deploy. Oh, this is the exciting part. See if it actually works. Work for me. Oh yeah, I've been on plenty of them. Usually just because I start talking to everyone for too long, but I enjoy it, I have to say. Nice. Okay. You can use whatever you like. I put these up just so I don't think this is all the best work I'll ever do. So, oh, look at that confetti. It's done. Okay, so I bet Jay doesn't think confetti is overrated because that's just the best. So we have this. I'm going to put this into the chat because we are finally up with something online that we can test. So although it's not much, at least I have something up and running. I have to love Vercel for how quick that is. So we have this up and running now, and that is all I really wanted to get done for now. So yeah, I think I'm going to take an early day today because I am tired. So does anyone have any questions in the chat before I leave? And if not, I'm going to love you all and leave you. Release you all back into the wilderness and see what happens. This is starting to come out well. I still like this effect. I like this blurred effect. I might see if I can get a parallax effect with this stuff as well, just to show the movement behind the panels. But we're getting there. We have the links. We have some buttons. So if you click on that, follow me everywhere. And if you're trying to sign up for things yet, it doesn't work. But, you know, you can just send me a message. I'll add you manually. All right. I'll see everybody soon. Thanks for watching. Next week, I'll do a proper longer stream because we're going to try and get the APIs up and running, which will be nice. And maybe a couple of the articles in, depending on time. So until next time, happy coding, everyone.